life. It does not make me feel happy when I think of the suffering my sister and my mother endured. It doesn't make me happy at all. I think it was very wasted. I think that that joy should come out of joy. But if you happen to suffer, you might as well learn a lesson from it. But I hope you never are put to that kind of a test, and be happy anyway.
Yes. Who's
asked about faith in God?
Oh, the faith question.
I am not a religious person, but I am a very spiritual person. I feel connected to everything that and everyone, to everything that lives.
Oh, this is really hard because Rick's trying to make me stop. Rick. Oh, I know. She can visit while she's... But wait, let's just do... Who's dying here with a question? Okay, over there, go ahead.
Carol. And...
Oh, Rabbi.
Teacher, thank you for coming tonight. I happen to know you have an expertise in the 6th grade.
Yes.
What?
I'll tell you. Go ahead.
I am concerned. I want to thank the young man for the question he asked tonight, and I want to build on that question. Today in Poland and in Germany, they're not denying that these things happen, but they're trying to assign how much blame they should have, or how to say it, or how not to say it. So for example, now, if you could be with a group of Polish 6th grade students who are wondering why is it that their government is asking whether these are Polish death camps or whether these are Nazi death camps on Polish soil, how do you help these young people sort out what it is that they're supposed to feel in terms of their country's roles in these things?
That's a really hard question to repeat. Okay, he's talking about the controversy going on right now in Poland over calling these camps Polish or Nazi camps. And he's talking about you with your 6th grade teacher background. How would you address these 6th graders in Poland with that question? Is that right?
Right, to help them.
To help them understand.
How you deal with your legacy.
Okay. I can understand the Polish people wanting to make it clear that the concentration camps were not Polish concentration camps, but many of the concentration camps were in Poland. There is another issue really now in Poland, that I believe a law was passed that that anyone who is going to say that Polish people in some ways collaborated with the Nazis, that they will be punished, which means that you know, in Poland there were a lot of Polish people. When I say a lot, but there were quite a number of people. Anti-Semitism is not unique. As I mentioned before, that people like to gang up against minorities. So the injustice or the wrong that freedom-loving people are criticizing the Polish government now is that they punish, that they stop the freedom of saying, I mean, I know so many people who were identified and turned over to the Nazis and identified as being Jewish, who were, for instance, on Christian papers. So in a way, that would be an injustice. I don't know if I made myself clear. The injustice is that when somebody actually knows of incidences where some Polish people did collaborate, and there were some, that they are subject to punishment, to go to jail or whatever. I'm not precisely I don't know the punishment, but that's the issue, and that's the controversy. Did I answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Good. I just want to say that Estelle's books are going to be for sale or are for sale in the lobby, and there are refreshments, and she's going to be signing books. And let's give her a huge thank you.